Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to take a look at a Slurpit feature, automatic device cleanup, and we'll take a look at its effect on NetBox. So since this is a Slurpit feature, I'm going to go to Slurpit, and from here go to settings, and we have a dedicated video on this feature in our Slurpit course, but I'm just going to give you an overview. And basically, if device finder cannot find a specific device within a time range, we're going to either disable the device or remove the device from our devices list or database here. So here R1 is currently active and running, but let's say if the device finder couldn't find it in 30 days, we eventually assume that there is something wrong with this device, so we either want to disable it or remove it. And the way you do that is by putting a number here, maybe 30 here and 90 here. And you do that, you save it. So there is that. But if I go to NetBox, if I go to devices here, and since we've connected the Slurper plugin, we also want to replicate that change over to NetBox. And since I'm not able to actually demonstrate this automatically using this feature, I cannot wait for 30 days or even 1 day. So I have to artificially or manually disable a device, then remove it to see its effect on NetBox. So I'm going to go to here, devices, go to R1. And if I scroll down, you are going to see this button, edit. You click on this and you disable it. Save it from here. Now status is currently inventory, basically a way to say the device is active and running inside NetBox. So if I refresh this page, now it says the device is offline. So let's do something else. I'm going to go back, and instead of disabling it, I am going to remove it altogether. So from here, I am going to remove this device. Yes, delete it. So I'm going to go to NetBox, and from here, the status is now changed to decommissioning. Basically, a NetBox way to say the device is not reachable at all. But the thing is, we don't want to actually remove the device altogether from NetBox. That might cause some problems and complexities in the future. We don't want to remove the entry, but we put the status as decommissioning or offline if the device is disabled to just give an indication. And that wraps up this video. I will see you in the next one.